innovative woodworking ideas, pushing the boundaries of creativity and craftsmanship. Woodworking is a craft that has been around for centuries, but the way people approach it today is changing in ways that are truly inspiring. It's no longer just about making furniture or functional objects. It's about pushing the boundaries of what wood can do. The innovation in woodworking today comes from the combination of old-world craftsmanship with new techniques, materials, and ideas that redefine what is possible. It's about transforming a simple piece of wood into something extraordinary, something that captures attention, tells a story, or even interacts with its environment in a dynamic way. One of the most fascinating directions modern woodworking is taking involves hybrid designs. This means incorporating different materials into wooden pieces to create stunning visual contrasts and entirely new forms. The combination of wood and epoxy resin has become one of the most sought-after styles, and for good reason. When resin is poured into natural cracks and voids in a wooden slab, the result is breathtaking. The wood retains its rustic, organic feel, while the resin brings in color, depth, and sometimes even a glowing effect. Epoxy river tables are a perfect example of how this technique has captivated artists and homeowners alike. These tables mimic the appearance of flowing water, sometimes appearing as deep blue ocean waves, glowing neon rivers, or swirling galaxies that seem frozen in time. The seamless blend of wood and resin makes each piece completely unique. Beyond resin, another material that's adding a futuristic touch to woodworking is metal. Metal inlays in wooden furniture and decorative pieces bring a bold, industrial contrast. A wooden coffee table with sleek brass or copper lines running through it creates a striking balance between warmth and modernity. Some artists take it further by embedding metallic powders into carved wooden surfaces, making intricate details shimmer under different lighting conditions. This kind of innovative thinking expands woodworking from being purely traditional into something contemporary, artistic, and functional. One of the most mesmerizing developments in woodworking is the rise of kinetic wooden sculptures. Traditional sculptures are static, but kinetic designs move, shift, or change depending on how they are interacted with. Wooden gears, rotating discs, and sliding panels allow for motion that transforms the shape of an artwork right before your eyes. Some woodworkers craft intricate wall art that, when turned or tilted, reveals hidden images or geometric patterns that change as the perspective shifts. There are even wooden mechanisms that, when cranked, bring wooden figures to life in a mesmerizing way. These pieces turn woodworking into something interactive, something that draws people in and invites them to engage with a piece rather than just admire it from a distance. Another area where woodworking is seeing incredible innovation is in three-dimensional layered art. Unlike traditional wood carvings, layered wooden artwork builds up depth by stacking multiple precisely cut wooden sheets. When arranged correctly, these layers create breathtaking landscapes, wildlife scenes, or intricate mandala patterns that seem almost alive. The beauty of this technique lies in the details. Shadows and depth make the design pop, creating a sense of movement even though the piece itself remains still. These works are often laser-cut with extreme precision, blending technology with craftsmanship in a way that allows for highly detailed, intricate creations that would have been impossible to carve by hand alone. Another breakthrough in woodworking is the use of steam bending and curved designs to create organic, flowing shapes. Wood is often seen as a rigid material, but with the right techniques, it can be shaped into smooth curves that feel almost liquid. This has opened the door for entirely new types of furniture, from seamless sculptural chairs to wave-like wooden benches that seem to defy the natural stiffness of wood. Some designers take this even further by using wood-bending techniques to create musical instruments, uniquely shaped speakers, or even curved lighting fixtures that seem to float in space. The softness and elegance of bent would create a completely different experience from traditional straight-edged furniture, proving that innovation in woodworking isn't just about decoration. It's about rethinking form itself. One of the most creative woodworking trends is the idea of transformable and modular furniture. These are wooden pieces that can be reconfigured, expanded, or adjusted to fit different needs. A wooden coffee table that expands into a dining table, a wall-mounted desk that folds away when not in use, or interlocking wooden shelving units that can be rearranged into countless formations. These designs go beyond aesthetics and serve as practical, space-saving solutions. The rise of urban living and smaller living spaces has driven demand for furniture that adapts to different needs, and woodworking has stepped up to meet this demand in an elegant and artistic way. Sustainability has also become a major focus in modern woodworking. With growing awareness of environmental impact, more woodworkers are finding ways to make their craft more eco-friendly. Many are turning to reclaimed wood, repurposing materials from old barns, shipping crates, or even fallen trees to create beautiful new pieces without contributing to deforestation. Some are experimenting with biodegradable finishes and adhesives to ensure that their work has as little environmental impact as possible. Even small changes like using non-toxic stains or sustainably sourced wood make a huge difference in the long run. The idea that woodworking can be both beautiful and responsible is something that is shaping the future of the craft. The artistic potential of woodworking is limitless, and one of the most striking innovations in recent years has been the rise of hyper-realistic wooden sculptures. Some wood artists are so skilled that they can carve wood into objects that look like they're made of entirely different materials. A piece of carved wood that looks like a crumpled piece of cloth, a wooden sculpture so realistic that it resembles a leather bag, or a hand-carved wooden feather so delicate that it appears weightless. These are examples of how woodworking has crossed into the realm of fine art. These pieces challenge our perception of what we can do, proving that with the right vision and craftsmanship, even the most unexpected things can be brought to life. The future of woodworking is more exciting than ever. What was once seen as a purely traditional craft has now transformed into a dynamic blend of artistry and innovation. Thanks to emerging techniques, advanced tools, and a growing appreciation for handmade craftsmanship, woodworking has evolved into a space where creativity knows no limits. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, an aspiring hobbyist, or simply someone who admires fine craftsmanship, the possibilities within the world of woodworking are truly endless. One of the most fascinating advancements is the integration of technology with traditional woodworking methods. Computer-aided design, CAD software, and CNC machines allow for precision and intricate detailing that would be nearly impossible to achieve by hand alone. Laser cutting techniques are revolutionizing decorative woodworking, making it possible to create detailed engravings, intricate inlays, and even complex layered designs with remarkable accuracy. But even as technology enhances woodworking, craftsmanship remains at the heart of it all. Hand-carved sculptures continue to push the boundaries of artistic expression, with some woodworkers achieving hyper-realistic details that make their pieces come to life. Whether to lifelike animal carving, a detailed portrait, or a sculptural masterpiece, these creations showcase the level of skill and patience that defines expert craftsmanship. Another exciting trend shaping the future of woodworking is kinetic design. Kinetic sculptures, also known as moving wood art, combine precision engineering with creativity, resulting in mesmerizing pieces that shift, rotate, or transform with touch or motion. Some artists create intricate wooden gear mechanisms, while others craft fluid, wave-like designs that seem to defy gravity. These innovations highlight the versatility of wood and how it can be manipulated to create functional yet captivating works of art. Furniture design is another area experiencing remarkable transformation. The rise of modular and multifunctional furniture has given woodworking a fresh, modern appeal. Woodworkers are now crafting space-saving solutions like collapsible tables, stackable chairs, and expandable shelving systems that offer both beauty and practicality. These designs not only maximize space, but also showcase the adaptability of wood as a material that blends seamlessly with contemporary lifestyles. Then there's the world of resin-infused woodworking. By combining wood with epoxy resin, artisans create stunning river tables, abstract wall art, and even glow-in-the-dark designs that add a futuristic twist to traditional woodworking. Resin allows for bold color experimentation, depth effects, and seamless integration of other materials like stones, metals, or even dried flowers, leading to breathtaking one-of-a-kind creations. Sustainability is also shaping the future of woodworking. More artisans and companies are embracing eco-friendly practices by repurposing reclaimed wood, using non-toxic finishes, and sourcing materials responsibly. Upcycled wood projects breathe new life into old materials, turning weathered planks into unique furniture pieces, sculptures, or decorative elements that carry a sense of history. By making sustainability a priority, woodworkers contribute to environmental conservation while still creating high-quality, lasting pieces. At its core, woodworking remains a form of storytelling. Each handcrafted piece tells a tale, whether through the grained patterns of the wood, the skilled cuts of the artisan, or the purpose behind the design. It's this ability to transform a simple block of wood into a functional or decorative masterpiece that makes woodworking so magical. As the craft continues to evolve, one thing remains certain: woodworking will always be a blend of skill, passion, and creativity. Whether it's through advanced technology, innovative design, or sustainable practices, the art of woodworking will continue to inspire and captivate. The future holds endless opportunities for those willing to explore, experiment, and push the boundaries of what wood can become.